In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Squarespace's billing system and easily access your invoices. This is incredibly helpful for those who manage multiple projects, businesses, or websites on Squarespace and want a seamless way to keep track of their transactions. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to begin by opening your web browser. Make sure you're connected to the internet and then head over to the Squarespace website. You can do this by typing Squarespace into your preferred search engine or by directly entering the URL into the browser's address bar. Once the homepage loads, log in with your account credentials. If you don't remember them, you might need to reset your password using the email associated with your Squarespace account. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the main dashboard, your command center for everything related to your website. Next, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu with various options such as Pages, Design, Commerce, and more. For today's purpose, you'll want to look for the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will expand into a more detailed panel with additional categories that allow you to customize and control different aspects of your Squarespace account and website. Now find and select Billing from the expanded Settings menu. This is where all your financial-related tasks and settings reside. Here, you're presented with everything you need to manage your payments, subscriptions, and billing preferences. It's a good idea to periodically check this section to ensure that everything is up to date and in order. Within the billing section, locate and click on Invoices. This is where you can view all your transaction records in detail. It's like having a digital file of your financial exchanges with Squarespace, organized for your convenience. Here, you will find all your past invoices, which can be opened and reviewed whenever you need. Regularly reviewing your invoices is an excellent habit to cultivate, as it helps you track your spending, manage budgets, and ensure that there are no discrepancies. Once you've found the Invoices section, you're all set. You've now learned how to easily access your Squarespace billing and invoices. One more tool in your belt for effective website management. Knowing how to access these important documents can save you time and potential headaches in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to navigating the billing side of Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.